Okay, so recently I bought the new Nintendo Switch version 2 from Nintendo. I bought this brand new with no scratches at all. And I don't know if the first generation is as bad as the second one, but the screen quality on this screen is very bad. It gets scratched very easily, as you can see there at the side of it when I tried to insert it inside the dock. I must have pushed it too forward, and that's how I got the scratches right here and right here on the other side, as you can see there. It looks pretty bad. It looks worse in person. As you can see, this is a dock that I had. As you can see, this is the inside of it right here. And when I was putting my Switch inside, it was dark inside my room. I first put it upside down. As you can see, though, I don't want to scratch it again because I don't know how it could possibly scratch doing it upside down, since it makes no difference from doing it this way and then doing it in the other correct way. There's no difference because there's not too much force that's adding on top of the screen, so it should be no reason why I should be scratching that easily. But as I was doing it, I was moving the Switch around. I was not pushing it inside. I was trying to connect the pins from the bottom, and I was trying to move it like this. I do not want to do it again, so it's gonna scratch as easy as that. So as I was moving it around, I took it out the dock, found out that I had the wrong way. Then when I looked at the screen, I seen that these scratches would build up. Oh, look at that! As you're seeing there, it created another scratch just by me inserting it on the dock itself. Look at it, this long scratch wasn't there before. And all I did was just insert it inside the dock as softly and as easy as that. And it created a new scratch right across from here. And I do not want to see this part. Let me see. Let me get the flashlight here. Oh, I don't know if it created a new scratch here. I have no idea if it created. Oh, I think it did. Right there. This one right here. I think it might have did create a new scratch. This one right here. As you can see, I think it did. These scratches are permanent. You can't just, wipe it off. You can't clean it with Windex or any cleaning products. These scratches are, as you can see, look. Let me try to scratch the scratches, and you're gonna hear the mark sound. I guess the only way you could try to fix this is by getting a good quality screen protector that is resistant to these type of light scratches, like a Gorilla screen protector, something that's very tough. Because as you can see here, there is nothing on this dock. This dock here has nothing serious. It's only lint. It's only lint, like from normal use. I do not have this on the floor. I do not have this anywhere that has lots of dirt. It's on top of my desk. Just from getting scratches from lints, this console screen is not reliable. It cannot take the damages of those tiny lints that's on this charger right here, because this dock is pretty much normal. There's nothing wrong with this dock. There's no little rocks inside here. There's none of that stuff. And honestly, if you're gonna get yourself a Switch, make sure you buy a screen protector immediately. Even installing it the correct way, you gotta make sure to put it in straight, because if you don't put it in straight and make sure it's connected, because if you put it in slanted like this and just put it in like that, this system will get scratched very easily. So do not slant this system to the side like this and then just pop it in, because you will get in scratches easily as I did on this video. Just make sure when you get your Nintendo Switch, get yourself a good quality screen protector that could handle the scratches of normal uses, because this screen is not resistant to scratches at all. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.